Lord Vishnu, so beautifully sleeping inside these caves with a glorious smile on his face. Undavalli Caves, located in Vijaywada, Karnataka State, India. From Vijaywada station, it is almost 10 to 12 kilometers. The caves welcomes you with a beautiful garden where you can take your selfie or you can take a video or you can relax for some time. Now this steps straight away goes to the Undavalli Caves. So let's go up and see this beautiful art. Wow, you can see this is a 3-story building carved in a big stone, or you can say mountain. It definitely would have taken several years to make this beautiful art. Now small history is also available on this board about these caves. Now this is a ground floor where you will find small rooms. These rooms are semi-furnished, I can say, not completed fully. Wow. Definitely a lots of efforts required to carve the mountains to make these beautiful rooms. Now let's go on first floor. You can see these pillars. Wow, so strong. Now on this first floor there's so many goddess statues carved inside the stones you will find. You can see. And this is a Lord Ganesha, beautifully carved and looking so beautiful. Now we are moving to the second floor. Now the second floor is totally dedicated to Lord Vishnu, because you will find a beautiful temple here, and these are the idols you can see while entering to these caves from down. Even you will find art on these pillars too. Now this is the temple you will find on second floor, and here is the Lord Vishnu idol, beautifully carved and looking so amazing. He's taking a nap with a beautiful smile on his face. Amazing. You can see King Cobra. Now, this is the third floor, which is not fully completed. But hats off to the people of our old generations, because to create such a beautiful art, lots of effort are required. It's not an easy task. A beautiful view from the top. So if you want to see these beautiful caves, then you have to visit Vijaywada. You can see the mountain. In this whole mountain, this cave has been carved. So I hope you liked this small video. Press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for future notification. We will meet in our next episode. Until then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.